Hello, beautiful people of the interweb. So today, you guys, we were doing an Instagram photo shoot. Last day of spring break. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's go outside and take some photos. First, let's get cute. Cool.
Yes, I'm in Enzalla.
So for this shoot, you guys, I'm going to use my Apple Watch to act as a Bluetooth remote for my phone camera. I don't know, I'm out of breath. You guys can also use a Bluetooth remote to do this. You guys, if you watch my DIY iPhone photo shoot or take long photos with your phone, all the videos I shot with connecting my phone to my computer as a method of seeing myself. I don't know, I'm so out of breath. If you guys have seen my DIY iPhone photo shoot, how to take self-timer photos of yourself, you guys saw I used a mirror to shoot myself. So many different options, you guys, on how to actually see yourself while you're shooting yourself. We're gonna zoom. All I did was run up and down the stairs. Let's go to get a kit. Y'all see this? A bird went do. Oh my god. The bird must want to die. Now I'm going in public on my own. We all gotta grow up at some point, right? So I'm going to the top of a parking garage, you guys. I'm hoping there's no one at the top of the parking garage, but it is a public place, so it will be kind of like shooting in public.
If I see her, then I got her, bro. Yes, I am a dog with these diamonds on my collar, and that's why I got your girl head banging, so they calling me Nirvana.
Good news for y'all, bad news for me. There are a lot of cars up here, and there's some teenagers doing some stuff they probably shouldn't be doing in the corner over there. But we're still gonna do this shoot, you guys, because that's what I said we're gonna do. It's not really that embarrassing anymore. I feel like at this point everyone knows everyone's a YouTuber now, so it's whatever. Find a spot.
No, I'm not her daddy, but she calling me her papa. Tell me, is you down, girl? I swear I treat you right, yeah. While they sleeping up on me, I just been working all night, yeah. They just talk online, but when I see them, it's on sight. Even in the summer, dog, my neck be frozen ice. I swear I go hard, bet you I'll get that. Dog, I got no heart, bro, like a Kit Kat. I've been up all night, but I wake up for my work, though. My girl looks so good when she draped out in that fur coat. Like, yes, I'm in Enzalla. If I see her, then I got her, bro. Yes, I am a dog with these diamonds on my collar, and that's why I got your girl head banging, so they calling me Nirvana. No, I'm not her daddy, but she calling me her papa. Touchdown when I land, dog, I need that bad to go. I just need a check, I need a couple grand for that show. I don't got no time to waste, I ain't ever moving slow. They ain't doing nothing, but somehow they do the most. They want my soul, dog, so I can't sign no deal, though. I swear they so mad, they been up in they feels, whoa. I barely sip, dog, and I don't pop no pills. I got my mind clear for this work.
We are losing sun. I think we got a good enough amount of things. Maybe I'll post these when I get back on Instagram. Yes, so we can get 3 yeses. I'm just gonna dip. If not, we'll wait for the sun to come back. But I mean, I already got 4 yeses. I think we're good. So let's head back. And we're back again. Got my tripod. You guys, watch my taking photos on your iPhone. Bro, there's just like a squirrel like straight chilling down there, man. You guys saw I tried to do a picnic shoot and it was a fail. So we're actually gonna try it again. The sun looks like amazing though. Look at that. I feel like we got some good stuff out here. Again, I'm just gonna double check. I feel like toward the end I definitely like started getting the hang of it. In the beginning the angles were weird. Dang, these would have been cute if I was like making a face. I want to try one more at golden hour. For my final trick, I'll pull a dog. I'll pull a dog out of nowhere. It is finally golden hour. Don't you love golden hour, Coco? Let's get it. I have to go shoot before golden hour ends.
I want to show you one thing.
It's my mom, you guys.
I'm not allowed to be on the vlogs.
Whatever. The magic of golden hour. So the great thing about golden hour, you guys, is that the sun is level with you. So earlier when I was shooting today, the sun was above me, so I had a lot of really harsh shadows, and I had to get my camera kind of on a high angle, but then that caused the shadow of the camera and the tripod and just a lot of other things, so it's kind of hard to play with. But if you shoot at golden hour, about 30 minutes to an hour before the sun goes down, sunset, which you can check in your weather app on your phone, then the sun is aligned with you, so you don't have to worry about shooting from above or whatever. You just, you know, you get your shot and you go. Well, you guys, that is officially a wrap to my Instagram shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed it, got some helpful tips, got inspired to go out there and do your thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever your girl posts, and I'm out. Yeah.